Welcome to session number 36 of the Word Power Made Easy. We are still discussing the words related to flattering your friends. Let us see some more root words. So the Latin word animus. Animus means mind and anima means life. So animal, animate means somebody is having a life. Inanimate, somebody do not have life. Animation means to make lively. Magnanimous means large or big hearted, or you can say noble. Magnanimity means nobleness. Pusil means tiny, animus means mind. So pusillanimous means ignoble or tiny heart. Magnanimity. So magnanimity means noble and pusillanimous means ignoble. Unanimous means U and A means one. So one mind, unanimous opinions means everybody is giving the same opinion with the same kind of mind. Unanimity. When we are adding ity, it means we are making a noun. Equanimity, equal means equal. So equanimity means calmness or composure. Animus. Animus is hostility, ill will, malevolence, unfriendly mind. I bear you no animus. No animus means no hostility. Animosity means ill will or hostility. So opposite of animosity is animus. Synonyms of animosity is animus. There is a real animosity. Animosity means kind of dislike between Congress and nationalist people. If you bear no animosity, why do you treat me so badly? Means no bad feeling. Turning. Now we know vetro means to turn, and versatile means all-rounded. So versatile people can turn their hand in many things successfully. And noun is versatility. When we are adding ity, we are making noun. So versatile, means it is a noun form. Zeno and the front porch. Stoical means who can bear their pain, unflinching fortitude. So the another word is equanimity or stoical. And when you add ism, then stoicism. Fear and trembling. Trepido is a Latin word. The trepido means to tremble, means to fear. And in means it gives a negative connotation. So intrepid means somebody is not having fear, not trembling. Trepido means fear. And trepidation means great fear or trembling. Latin scintilla, scintilla. Scintilla means quick or bright spark. Scintilla means spark or a small spark. There is not scintilla of evidence. There is no spark of evidence against him. Scintillates, sparkle and charm with humor. So if somebody is intelligent plus having a wisdom, then you can say scintillates. City and country. People in city learn sophistications and culture. So the city dwellers are refined, polished, courteous, and they are known as urban. So urban means refined plus polished plus courteous. The Latin word urb, this urb in Latin means city. So urbanity, so urb is city in NITY. When you are adding IDY, you are going to make noun. So urban, this is an adjective. Urban is an adjective. Suburbs means residential area. Means this is city and some part of the city is known as suburb. Suburbia means residence. And interurban means travel within the city, between city within a city. So let's say this is a city and you are going from point A to point B to point C and coming from A, then it is known as interurban. Exurb means way outside or a large city. Rus or ruris means countryside. So rural means farm region, countryside, rustic means village, and urban means city. So rusticate, to spend time in the country or village. Let's see the prefix, root and suffix and find out what are the English words. Animus means mind. So unanimous means when people are coming together and have the same opinion, then you can say unanimous. Anima means soul. So animosity means hostility. Magnus means large. So magnanimous means large-hearted or noble. Pusillanimous means tiny. So pusillanimous means somebody is ignorable or small-hearted. Unus means one. So unanimous means one opinion. Equus or equal. So equanimous. Equanimous means somebody who is remain calm and composed in an odd situation, or you can say stoic. Vetro means turn. So versatile. Somebody who is equal, skillful in all matters, then you can say a versatile. Stoa, so stoic. Somebody who is remain cool and silent in a difficult and negative situation. Intrepid means somebody who is fearless, brave. And trepid means somebody is fearful. So when you add in, then it becomes a negative of it. So it is known as brave or no fear. Trepido means trepid, fear. Scintilla means spark. So scintilla. Urbs means city, so urban. Sub means a small part of something. So near or close to or under, urban, suburban. Inter means between, so interurban. Intra means within, inside, so inside city. Exurbs means large city. Rus, country or farmland, so rural or countryside or rustic. At, urbanate. And ion, trepidation. Now next, here is a word and here is a description of the words, and you have to match the correct description. Magnanimity means somebody is noble. So big-hearted, generosity, or quality of forgiveness, or you can say in one word somebody who is noble. Pusillanimity is opposite to this. So pusilla means petty-mindedness or somebody who is ignoble. Unanimity Unanimity means complete agreement or being of equal mind. Equanimity. Equanimity means calmness and composure. It is also known as stoic. Animosity. Animosity means hostile. So, anger, hostility, resentment or hatred. Versatility. Versatility means somebody is very skillful in all matters. Then you can use the word versatile. So versatility means ability either to do many different things as well or to function successfully in many areas. Stoicism. Stoicism means unemotionally bearing of pain without complaint. Intrepidity. Intrepidity, fearless, great courage. Trepidation. Trepidation means fear and trembling or alarm. Scintillating, a sparking with wit or cleverness. Again, there is a description and a word is given, and you have to match with the description with the word. Urbanity. Urbanity means sophistication, courtesy, polish, etc. So somebody who is very courteous, then you can say urbanity. Suburbia. Suburbia means residential area near big cities or inhabitants of such area. Suburbia. Exurbia. Exurbia means residential area far from big city. Customs, etc. So this is the residential area far from big city, and this is near. Animus. Anger, hatred and hostility. Animus. Interurban. Interurban. Inter. First is inter and then urban. Interurban means between cities. Intra-urban. Intra-urban means within one city. Intra-urban. Rural. Rural means referring to the countryside. Rustic. Rough and farm-like unsophisticated culture. Rustic. Rusticate. Rusticate means to spend time in the country. And pejorative. Pejorative means word with a negative or a derogatory connotation describing such a word. Pejorative. So here we are ending the session number 36. The PDF is given in a description box. Download the PDF, practice on it, and that is the way to master the topic. See you again in session number 37. Bye bye.